What's that, Officer Reed? Wow, you know who I am? You're Beverly Hills PD. Oh, you're top. Oh, sorry, these guys. Just you, huh?
Hey, MrCheckpoint?
Yeah.
Yeah, I heard about
We can't pound it. Oh shit! Wow.
Stay safe, man. It gets crazy sometimes. I say it gets crazy sometimes.
Can I tell you though? I'm gonna be. I was on Melrose at midnight last night on. You know.
Yeah, it got wrecked
But let me tell you this. I was more afraid at all times by the police.
Oh yeah.
At all times. At all times. They were incredibly aggressive and it was scary as fuck. I had zero fear of even people looting. And, you know, it was not...
Some people, they put cars on fire.
Yeah, you know, they're angry. This is emotion. This isn't...
I know, but still, I mean,
it's not violence.
In businesses, you know?
It's not cool, but...
A lot of minority folks.
But you know what?
Businesses,
You know what?
Yeah.
All that stuff's replaceable. And this isn't an excuse. This is just a reality. All of it's replaceable. All of that shit was closed anyways. Hold on. All of that's closed. A lot of it's been closed anyway for coronavirus. All of them have insurance money. First of all, most of them will be able to get.
That's
back.
an assumption on your part.
Hold on. Let me just say the last thing. The reason it's all happening and we're here is because lives are lost every day by people who wear your uniform, and that is never coming back. And that pain and trauma lasts for decades or centuries. Would you agree with that?
Not necessarily.
I think that's incredibly insensitive, but okay.
I mean, you asked for my opinion.
Yeah, no, and I just said I think it's incredibly insensitive.
Do I believe there's a deep-rooted issue, you know, that goes way back? Yeah, I mean, there definitely is. It's a societal issue, you know, as a whole, that we all have to come together and work towards making better, you know.
It's supposed to be.
Yeah, but I mean, it's a double whammy for people who have
Hey,
their businesses
is your
closed.
camera on?
What was that?
Is your camera on?
It's on.
You put it on, or why wouldn't it be on? I like them all on, you know.
You want me to?
Always film the police. You're a public
I
servant.
can't.